beautiful people, it's your girl Lisa Perry and I am back. So for those who have been really active on my YouTube channel, I've only been posting shorts, have not been posting any like long video with me sharing something beautiful with you. So today I'll be doing my second trial of me doing my own makeup. It's a new year, so I have come back with good techniques and I've learned a lot, so stay with me and watch what I do. So first off guys, I start by wiping my face off and then I apply my primer. It's a product from Zamora, so I just put a little bit of it on my face and then I take my brush and make sure I apply it throughout my face and making sure it sinks in my skin. After that, I get foundation of which is also a product from Zamora. She has beautiful products. You can check out her page. They're very authentic, very beautiful, and of good quality. So I start applying my foundation, making sure I don't miss a single spot. So make sure I apply it throughout my face. Briefly toward my neck, and yes, after that I get my palette of concealer. It's also from Zamora, and I find the necessary brush for me to use. Yeah, so I start by applying my concealer underneath my eye and on my forehead, in between of my nose, my upper lip, and under my lips, which is my chin. And I get a sponge and I start applying it. I make sure I blend it in with the foundation that I already applied and making sure it is spotless and neat. Yes, you have to make sure you're just applying the right pressure, but just making sure that you don't miss anything. After that, I get my powder palette and I get a powder shade of the same shade of which I applied my concealer, and I apply for the places that I've been applying my concealer. And after that, I take my other brush and I take the powder of my shade, the one that I applied with my foundation, and then I start applying it throughout my all parts of my face. Get my contour and start contouring, and this is my contour brush. Yes, there is me evenly applying my contour. It's my first time guys, so don't criticize me too much. I am trying. This is my second time of me applying my own makeup, so yes, I think I tried my best. And then I start contouring my nose with another brush that is much smaller and it's more comfortable for the nose part. So tapping inside my nose crease up to my base of my eyes, and then after that I start putting powder. I have two shades, like the one is a bit yellowish and the other one is a little bit of the color. I think like off-white, so I mix them together and I just apply them underneath my eye, which is the place that I already applied. My concealer. And leaving it right there. And then it comes to making eyebrows. So I start off with brushing eyebrows, and then I start drawing my eyebrows with a brown shade. See? So I think this is the most important place for you to be very careful, and you have to be very clean and very neat. You just have to be patient and just take your time. You don't have to be in a hurry, guys. I think this is the most complicated part of doing makeup for me. So I think this is the part that you have to take your time. It's your magic. Guys, I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm just going to wipe off the excess concealer that I used there with my powder brush. Okay, I'm going to do that. I did eyeshadow palette. Yes, I love colors, so yes. After doing my eye, making sure it looks beautiful. the other part, guys. I'm excited to see the end product of everything. So just keep on blending the So now I'm going to apply my lipstick. I have 2 shades, but I add something more. So I start off with the purple shade. Just by applying towards the corners of my lips. I try to get a corner so it's neat and it doesn't go underneath the romantic. Yeah, so I'm going to just apply it carefully and red lipstick, and I apply it on the inner part of my lips, in the upper side of it, tap 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 tap. Now, so it's beautiful, but I wanted to add something more because I'm not a person that is very good with red. It's good, but I wanted something else to just make it more spicy. So I got another beautiful lipstick, a bit nudish, and I added, yes, and that is what I wanted for it. So you can just mix your different lipsticks that you own, and you can get a very beautiful look. And there's more down. Yeah. So let me go and get my hair done. And boom! That is me with my wig. And I finish up with my lip gloss. And that's okay. So guys, this is me. This is me shining. Beautiful African woman. This is my outfit and it's stunning. Even if you don't know that, I know that already. It's stunning. So thank you guys for staying here. This is me. Don't forget to like, comment for more new videos, ideas, or things that you want me to do a video of, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so every time I drop a very good video of anything, you see it first. I love you. Bye, beautiful people.